Vaseline Body Lotion. Vaseline Healthy Bright Daily Brightening Dry Body Lotion. Having healthy, glowing skin is a vital part of your overall health. Vaseline believes that truly healthy skin starts with deep healing moisture. It's not something you get by masking problems or through quick fixes. Your body produces melanin in response to the pollutants and UV exposure, which can lead to skin damage, darkening and uneven skin tone. Vaseline Healthy Bright. Our best skin brightening lotion helps heal dry damaged skin, and that restores for naturally glowing skin in 2 weeks. With micro droplets of Vaseline jelly, the lotion helps heal skin. Along with vitamin B3, that is known to inhibit the production and transfer of melanin, it brings back skin's healthy radiance. Triple sunscreens provide brightness protection by blocking UVA and UVB rays to protect your skin's brightness from future damage. Use every day to help heal skin and make it look healthier and fairer. The result is a brightening lotion for body that deeply moisturizes to help heal darkened, damaged skin, leaving it healthier and brighter. Healthy, naturally glowing skin in 2 weeks. Use twice a day for best results. Apply generously and massage till it get absorbed. Healing by moisturization of normal dry skin. Action in the epidermal region and within cosmetic domain. How to use. Use twice daily for best results. Reapply as needed.